In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Systeme.io in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up an online business or simplifying your payment processes, this guide will offer you a seamless way to get your payment gateway connected. So let's get started. First off, you need to navigate to Systeme.io. If you aren't already familiar, Systeme.io is a powerful all-in-one platform designed to ease the management of your online business. It's best to have your login credentials handy, as we're going to log in next. Once you're on the Systeme.io homepage, look for the sign in option and give it a click. This will take you to the login page, where you should enter your email address and password. Remember to keep your login details secure and avoid using common passwords. Once you've entered your information, click sign in to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, draw your attention to the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll manage all your integrations and configurations. In the Settings menu, identify and click on Payment Gateways. Here is where we'll be linking our Stripe account. Stripe is a popular choice for processing payments, known for its robust features and user-friendliness. Within the Payment Gateway section, scroll down until you find Stripe. You'll notice a button labeled Connect next to it. Click on this button to initiate the connection process. This step is critical for ensuring your payments process correctly through Stripe. Next, you'll be prompted to add your Stripe account. This will usually open a new interface where you can log into your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, make sure to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, simply click on Connect to link it to Systeme.io. Your next task is to add your bank details. This is essential as it determines where your funds will be deposited. Ensure that the information you provide is accurate to avoid any future processing issues. Once you've filled out your bank details, press Continue. With these steps complete, return to the settings page on Systeme.io. From there, navigate back to Payment Gateway. You'll now find that Stripe is successfully connected to your account. This confirmation allows you to start processing transactions immediately. And there you have it. Integrating Stripe with Systeme.io is as easy as that. With your accounts linked, you can streamline your payment handling and focus more on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.